In a quiet village, surrounded by lush greenery, a humble fisherman named Arjun lived with his family beside a glimmering river. The river was unlike any other, sparkling as if it held the light of 1,000 stars. Villagers often spoke of its magical powers, but no one had seen proof. Arjun, content with his simple life, never paid much attention to the rumors until one remarkable day. One morning, Arjun cast his net into the river as usual. Suddenly, it became unusually heavy. Struggling to pull it up, he was stunned to see a dazzling fish with scales that gleamed like diamonds. As he stared in awe, the fish spoke. "Kind fisherman, release me, and I will grant you one wish." Arjun hesitated, but, moved by the fish's plea, gently set it free. The fish smiled and said, "Your kindness will not go unrewarded," before disappearing into the water. Moments later, Arjun's basket overflowed with fish, as though the river itself was showing gratitude. Thrilled, he returned home, where his family rejoiced at the bounty. For weeks, Arjun enjoyed the river's blessings. His family was well fed, and he became the envy of the village. Yet, as time passed, he grew restless. If the river can give me so much, what else might it offer? He wondered. Slowly, greed took root in his heart. One moonlit night, Arjun returned to the river, his thoughts consumed by ambition. Kneeling by the water, he called out, "O magical fish, appear before me. I wish to be the richest man in the land." The river rippled, and the glowing fish surfaced. "Are you sure this is what you desire?" it asked. Arjun eagerly nodded, blinded by greed. The fish sighed, "Your wish will be granted, but remember, greed always has a price." With that, it vanished. The next morning, Arjun awoke to find his house filled with gold coins. He was overjoyed, but when he returned to the river, he found it lifeless. The fish were gone, and the water was eerily still. The magical river, once his greatest blessing, had abandoned him. Over time, Arjun realized his mistake. The gold brought no joy, only emptiness. Standing by the silent river, he whispered, "Forgive me." But the river remained silent, reflecting only his regret. From that day on, Arjun lived humbly, sharing his tale as a warning to others. Though the river's magic never returned, its lesson endured, reminding all that true wealth lies in gratitude and harmony with nature.